Welcome to this tutorial video. In this video, I will guide you how to do some transaction and how we can review some financial reporting. First, we can go through the sales here. When we want to issue a quotation, we can issue a quotation from this screen. We just add a new quotation and we just select the customer from here. Let's say I created a quotation to ABC Bank. So when I've selected the quotation from here, I just need to select the stock item from here. Let's say, for example, I'll get a quotation for HL001. This is the Huawei laptop 001, and the pricing from it is 5,000. If let's say I want to add more item, I can just add the stock item from here. And if let's say I want to have an extra remark, I can just put some remark from here as well. And I can just save for these transactions. Once I have saved for this transaction already, I can, from this transaction screen, I can click on this three dot button, then I can move forward to transfer to SO. Once I complete for this one, just click OK. It will come to this SO screen and you just need to save for this transaction, and this is the one. And when you see on this blue color transfer from, you can see this document is actually transferred from which document. And once we have complete for this one, we can either use this way to use the SO to click on the three dot button to transfer to, or we can just go to the sales invoice here. When we add a new transactions, we can just drop down to select back the same customer, and we can, based on here, to drop down to select transfer from SO. And we can just check for the transfer button from here and just click OK. Whatever that we have key before, it will come to this sales invoice screen, and we can just save in order to complete the transactions. Once I have completed these transactions, we can see the transfer from is also have a SO, and you can see from here there's a stock journal. You can take a look at the stock journal, but it's the stock we're going out. And you can also see from this is called a GL journal. Based on here, we can check what is the total sales for the credit and what is the debit for the account. Once I complete all this transaction, okay, we can go through the account receivable and we can go for a receive payment. Let's say now I want to add a new payment from here. I just need to select back the customer. And once I've done, this is my date and what bank and which bank that I'm going to bank in, and how much amount that I have received. Let's say I received 3,000, and this is my, let's say this is my bank check number. And once I have this already, then you can see this is the amount, and I can refer back to the bottom which outstanding amount that I'm going to pay. Let's say I want to pay for this invoice, I just tick for this invoice and I can just save for these transactions. And once I complete all the transactions from here already, then we can move on to refer some of the report. We can go to reporting here and we can take a look on the report center to check out the customer aging. Go to report center, go to customer, and we can go through the customer aging from here. Either you can generate for 6 months or you can generate for 12 months. Let's say I want to look for 6 month aging. In this screen, I can just based on here to set date as per when. And this is the filter option, whether I want to select to check out all project, title is viewed by month or the exclude for which part. And once I have done everything from here, I can just click on the preview so that I can see the reporting from here. And just now I have a ABC. This is all the aging outstanding amount that will display in my reporting. So out of this aging report, we also can go through the report center and we can move back to the general ledger. Under here, we can take a look on the P&L, the profit and loss account, just based on here to set the profit and loss account. And we can just filter the date range from when to when, and we can just either preview or inquiry. So when we preview, we can see how much is our sales and how to get our net profit and loss, what is the figure from here. Some of the report, they may have a call inquiry buttons, they may have a preview button. If let's say they have an inquiry button from here, you can just click on this inquiry. And if let's say you see this account, this amount is something you want to check, you can just click on this amount. Then this system will help you to zoom in to the specific account code, and you can check how is the amount coming from. And once you see everything is correct, then you can just move on to take a look on the balance sheet report. So same, go back to report center and go to general ledger, and we'll move on to balance sheet report from here. Just go for a balance sheet, and same, you can just to preview. So before we preview, all the reporting is maximum can go through to up to 3 level, and we just need to preview or inquire the report to check how is our balance sheet report presenting. And this is the result. You can see this is the amount, is tally.
Next generation of accounting, Q&E AI Cloud, your partner in ensuring LHDN e-invoice compliance.